This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Caemmerer. Sunnyland Character Home. Charming 3-bedroom home located just a short walk to Trader Joe's, restaurants, Kulshan Brew pub and downtown. High ceilings, an open and bright floor plan, wood floors, large kitchen and dining room plus a private back deck for eating outside. Brand new exterior paint job, newer roof, updated electric, and retiled bathroom. Fully fenced yard with nice shed and a gate for alley access. Plenty of off-street or RV parking. For more information, review the details below or contact Caemmerer at 360-303-8782.